If Discord keeps crashing on you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix you can try right now. We'll start by checking whether the problem is actually on Discord's side, then we'll restart the app properly, and finally, we'll turn off hardware acceleration, which is one of the most common fixes for unexpected crashes. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, before you change anything on your computer, check Discord server status. Open your browser and go to discordstatus.com. This page shows whether Discord is having outages or major service issues. If the servers are down, the crash may not be caused by your device at all, and in that case, the best fix is usually to wait until Discord restores service. If everything looks normal on the status page, then the issue is probably local to your computer, so we can move on to the next step. Now we're going to fully close Discord, because sometimes the app looks like it's closed when it's actually still running in the background. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Under the Processes tab, look for Discord in the list. Once you find it, right-click Discord and select End Task. This forces Discord to shut down completely and can clear out a frozen process that was causing the crash. After that, open Discord again from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Give it a moment to load and see whether the crash still happens. In some cases, just ending the task and relaunching the app is enough to fix the issue, especially if Discord got stuck during startup or an update. If Discord opens normally now, that's a great sign. If it still crashes, don't worry. We've got one more important fix to try. The next step is to turn off hardware acceleration inside Discord. Hardware acceleration can improve performance, but on some systems it can also cause crashes, graphical glitches, or random app shutdowns. To change this, open Discord and go to User Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced. Here, you'll see the Hardware Acceleration option. Turn Hardware Acceleration off, then confirm to change if Discord asks you to. After that, click Relaunch Discord so the setting can fully take effect. Once Discord reopens, use it for a moment and check whether the unexpected crash is gone. This fix works for a lot of people because it reduces the strain on your graphics processing and helps Discord run more stable on certain PCs. If the app is still crashing after this, you may need to look at other causes like outdated drivers, corrupted app data, or reinstalling Discord completely, but these steps solve the issue in many cases. So to quickly recap, first check Discord server status, then end Discord in Task Manager, reopen it, and if the crash continues, disable hardware acceleration and relaunch the app. Those are the main steps for fixing Discord has crashed unexpectedly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing additional Discord crash fixes you can try next.